learn about graphical method of solving simultaneous linear equations in two variables. For that, what you have to do is write the equations, then rewrite those equations with y as a subject. That means y separately you have to take on one side. Rest all the terms will be transposed to other. Then prepare the value table as we normally do for drawing graph of any equation. Then draw the graphs of both lines on a same page, same graph page, and then follow the graph. Where do those lines intersect each other? So point of intersection will give the solution of those two linear equations. Let's take a question which asks to solve these two equations graphically by graph. For that, what you have to take? We take both equations like this by name, equation 1, equation 2. Then we are taking from 1. X plus y is equal to 10. Rewrite this equation with y as a subject. That means y as a dependent variable. So separate y on left side. Take x to right, 10 minus x. Now its value table you have to prepare. For this, we take x and y here. So values of x you have to put from your own. Any 2 or 3 values can be taken. We take 2 at the moment. Third one also can be taken. So minimum 2 pairs you have to take. So for that, we take x equal to any value you can take from yourself. Suppose we take 3. So when you replace x by 3, 10 minus 3, 7. Y will come 7. Like that. Then if it is taken as 4, x equal to 4, then 10 minus 4, y will give 6. If x is 5, y will be 5. Similarly, we take from equation 2. Equation 2 is this. Separate y, means take y as dependent variable or subject, and then prepare a value table again. 3 pairs we can take y, x, y here. Now again, put values of x. First value we take 1. 4 plus 1, y will come 5. Take 3. 4 plus 3, y will be 7. And if you take 2 here, 4 plus 2 will come 6. Now we go for its graph. For graph, you all know, on a graph page, you have to draw these two lines, two perpendicular lines along the middle line of the graph page. This is x-axis, y-axis, and the numbers we have taken at a gap of 2 on each part of these axis, because the maximum number in the table is 7. So that means up to 8 or minimum up to 7 you have to take on these two axes. Now we are going to plot these points. First point here, x is 3, y 7. That means x is 3, y 7. First one we are going to draw, x 3, y 7. So search 3 on x-axis. On x-axis, 3 will come exactly in the middle of 2 and 4. Here, this is 3. Then 7 on y-axis. So 7 will come between 6 and 8. Here, now look at the lines on the graph. Where do they intersect each other? From line coming from this 3, line coming from this 7, where do they cut each other? Will be about at this point, and we plot it here. We put 3, 7 on a graph page. You can see, means if we go for this, so lines should look like that. So these lines we don't have to draw in the graph page. Now 4, 6. So x is 4, y 6 means will come about at this point, and we plot here 4, 6. Then next we go 5, 5. So 5 will come between 4 and 6. 5 on x-axis, 5 on y-axis at this point. And we take it 5, 5. Now draw a line passing through these 3 points. And we name this line as equation 1, because whose graph is this? That is of equation 1. So equation 1 or equation itself you can write. Now go for drawing second line on a same page. So what is its first point? x1, y5. Where it is? 1 will come between 0 and 2. So 1 is here. On y-axis 5 between 4 and 6 will come about this one. This is. And here we can take 1, 5. This is the point we have plotted here. 1, 5. Then go for 3, 7. 3 and 7 already is here. So another point, this same. Then next is 2, 6. So 2 against this 2, you take here again 6 at this point. At this point, and we write 2, 6. Okay, after plotting points, draw a line passing through these 3 points which we have plotted. And this is graph of equation 2. So you can put 2 there, equation 2. Now look at the point of intersection. Point of intersection. Point of intersection of both lines is 3, 7. So first value stands for x, second stands for y. So we can take x equal to 3, y equal to 7.